DOLA Pro Advanced Customisations. Metatarsal Bar. A metatarsal bar is an elongated metatarsal pad added to the top surface of the orthotic under a top cover for long-term protection. It is highest at the anterior border and tapers from anterior to posterior and at the edges. The DOLA metatarsal bar height and shape has been designed based on feedback from health professionals. Compared to other manufacturers, it is a reduced height to improve patient comfort and tolerance. It is also shaped to encourage first MPJ function without a first MPJ wing. Metatarsal Bar Size. The DOLA Poron metatarsal bars are self-adhesive with 3M tape backing and are available in 3 sizes, small, medium and large, to cover pediatric to adult patients. Selection of metatarsal bar size is based on foot morphology and pathology, or the required width based on the number of metatarsals you are trying to influence. Example, central metatarsals 2, 3, 4, or all metatarsals 1 to 5. Metatarsal bar shape. The bar can be left as standard shape out of the packet or customized, including dimensions, heights, cutouts, slots, or divots based on pathology or to influence forefoot function. Metatarsal bar positioning. Options include a pre-metatarsal position, where the anterior border sits just behind or proximal to the metatarsal heads and extends proximally to the midfoot. Its primary influence will be on the metatarsal shafts. Or a metatarsal position, where the bulk of the pad is directly under the metatarsal heads, extending from the metatarsal shafts to the sulcus. Treatment-directed testing. Treatment-directed testing of bar size and position can be performed on the patient's foot, shoe insole, or on the orthotic shell. This can be used to test for clinical effect, patient tolerance, and comfort. Note: securing with strapping tape or hyperfix will allow the adjustment of bar location in treatment-directed testing. Customised positioning. For a custom position, mark the position required on the patient's foot and transfer to the orthotic. Start by marking the required location on the patient's foot. This is commonly an anatomical landmark, metatarsal head or pre-metatarsal position, or pathology location. Use a pen or lipstick to mark the location for the metatarsal bar on the plantar surface of the patient's foot in a non-weight bearing position. To transpose the mark onto the DOLA Pro orthotic, position the patient on the orthotic in a weight-bearing position and apply body weight. The mark will now be transposed onto the orthotic shell, giving a guide for the position of the metatarsal bar. Metatarsal bar orthotic addition. Select the required metatarsal bar size and place the metatarsal bar on the dorsal surface of the orthotic. Secure with strapping tape or hyperfix for treatment-directed testing, or peel and stick with the self-adhesive 3M tape for orthotic manufacture. Protect the Poron metatarsal bar with a top cover for long-term use and dispense. Metatarsal bar case examples. In this case example, a size medium Poron metatarsal bar was placed on a size small DOLA Pro 70 soft full-length orthotic shell. The prescription was completed with a 4-degree varus intrinsic rear-foot post grind, smooth Durafit skin top cover, and fit customizations for the Revere sandal, including forefoot extension and grinds. The DOLA Pro is designed to be customized to various footwear types, including sandals. In this case example, a size medium Poron metatarsal bar was placed on a DOLA Pro 70 soft full-length orthotic shell. The prescription was completed with a Poron arch pad and a full-length Poron mid-layer, and your choice of top cover to protect the Poron additions. This design will combine comfort with mechanical control. In this case example, a size medium Poron metatarsal bar was placed on a size extra small DOLA Pro 70 soft full-length orthotic shell. The prescription was completed with a series of fit customizations for hard-to-fit footwear, including medial and lateral tapers, medial and lateral plantar grinds, rear-foot post taper, and covered with diabetic anti-shear. In this case example, a size medium Poron metatarsal bar was selected from 3 size options and customised with some grinding. They were also placed in a customised position based on treatment-directed testing, resulting in an asymmetrical position. A size medium DOLA Pro 80 medium density full-length orthotic shell was selected for a men's size 9 to 10. The orthotic was covered with black neoprene. In this case example, a size medium Poron metatarsal bar was placed on a size medium DOLA Pro 80 medium density full-length orthotic shell. The left metatarsal bar was customised with a cutout to the first after successful treatment-directed testing. The prescription was completed with a full-length Poron mid-layer, an intrinsic rear foot varus post grind of 4 degrees, and covered with lime EVA full-length top cover. In this case example, a size small Poron metatarsal bar was placed on the DOLA Pro 85 hard density full-length orthotic shell. The prescription also included a Poron forefoot extension to address general forefoot pain during weight-bearing activities in poor footwear. The prescription was completed with your choice of top cover to protect the dorsal Poron additions. In this case example, a size large Poron metatarsal bar was selected from the 3 size options. This metatarsal bar position and size was selected based on treatment-directed testing with the successful reductions in the patient's forefoot symptoms. Common positions include either a pre-metatarsal or metatarsal position, depending on the clinical effect required. In this case example, a size medium Poron metatarsal bar was placed on a size medium DOLA Pro 85 hard density full-length orthotic shell. The prescription also included a Poron forefoot extension customised with a slot. A metatarsal bar is commonly combined with other forefoot additions and modifications, including forefoot extensions and cutouts. The prescription was completed with your choice of top cover to protect the Poron dorsal additions. In this case example, a size medium Poron metatarsal bar was placed on a size small DOLA Pro 80 medium density full-length orthotic shell. The prescription also included a 4-degree rear foot varus post intrinsic grind and a full-length black EVA top cover. The full-length DOLA Pro is available in 3 densities, soft 70, medium 80, and hard 85, across 11 sizes, from a kid's 5 to a men's 15 plus. Metatarsal bar prescription. The modification of an orthotic shell with an addition of a metatarsal bar is used to influence forefoot pressures, forefoot function, and reduce symptoms of pathologies, including metatarsalgia or general forefoot pain, capsulitis, neuritis, bursitis, neuroma, fat pad injury, fat pad displacement, or to improve first MPJ function during propulsion. It uses the material properties of Poron, shape of the pad, and position applied to provide cushioning and mechanical change. In-clinic modification. Adding a metatarsal bar to an orthotic shell is a common in-clinic modification. The following video will show you how easy it is to add a metatarsal bar in clinic.